Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage user experience with UXPin, complete guide step by step clearly. To start managing user experience with UXPin, first, create an account on the UXPin website. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand its layout and features. Begin by creating a new project by selecting the Create New Project button. Choose a suitable template or start from scratch based on your requirements. Next, explore the design tools available in UXPin, such as the wireframing tools and UI components. Drag and drop components onto your canvas to begin constructing your user interface. Utilize the preview function to see how your design performs in real time. Incorporate interactive elements to enhance user engagement and experience. Add annotations to your designs to provide context for functionality and user flows. Utilize the user testing feature to gather feedback from real users about your designs. Analyze the feedback gathered to identify areas for improvement and refinement. Make necessary adjustments to your designs based on user insights. Ensure your design is responsive by testing how it appears on different screen sizes. Share your project with team members for collaborative feedback and input. Use the comment feature to facilitate discussions and suggestions among team members. Continue iterating on your design until you achieve the desired user experience. Once finalized, export your design or share it directly through UXPin's collaboration tools. After deployment, monitor user interaction and behavior to gather ongoing feedback. Use this data to continue improving and optimizing user experience over time. By following these steps, you can effectively manage user experience using UXPin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.